Hello, second graders. Today in spelling, we will be learning our new spelling words, and we'll be practicing writing them and spelling them. This week, our spelling words focus on that long A sound. Just like in our phonics lesson from this morning, we learned that the long A sound can be spelled with an AI, an AY, an EA, an EIGH, and EY. Now, you can pause the video, but I would like you to make sure that you have this spelling page 51 to be completed. Now, on our spelling page, make sure you write your name on the top so Mrs. Murphy can see it. Then I'm going to go through the spelling words with you, and I'm going to make it really big so you can see it. So I'm going to say them, and then I'm going to show you the long A sound. So number one is nail with the AI in the middle. Number two is train with the AI in the middle. And number three is main with the AI in the middle. So these first three have the AI in the middle. The next two have the AY at the end. So number four is hay, like the horses eat hay, and stay. Number 6 and 7 are the ones that I call rule breakers, because normally the E and the A together would say the long E sound. But in these two words, it breaks the rules and it says the long A sound. So we have the word break, so that should be an easy one to remember. Maybe a little trick this week on the word break, you're going to spell it B-R-E-A-K. It's breaking the rules. And then stake, and that one rhymes. Break and stake. Just need to change the beginning sound. Number 8 has the E-I-G-H. So when you hear this word, you hear wa, and then you hear a. So you hear two sounds, wa, a. But it's just not two letters. It's these 4 letters that put together make that long A sound. So number 8 is weigh, like you're gonna weigh something. How heavy is it? So W-E-I-G-H. Number 9 is sleigh. Just think about Santa's sleigh. So we have S-L and then E-I-G-H, making that long A sound. Sleigh. And the last one for our basic word this week is pray. Now this pray is not like if you pray when you go to church or you pray at the dinner table. This pray is like when animals hunt for food, they're hunting for their prey. And this pray is the E-Y at the end. Okay? Now, our 2 review words from last week is scrape and strange. Now, these 3 high frequency words are kind of tricky ones. Number 13 is good. We hear the G sound, g, and then the O we haven't learned yet, but it says the sound, or sometimes the sound. But in this case, it's g, ud, good, so G-O-O-D. And then number 14 is off-tin. That's how we pronounce it, but when we look at it, it looks like it's of 10. It looks like of and then 10. But we don't pronounce it that way. That's why it's a high frequency word. It's often. And the last one is the number 2, T-W-O. And that one's a tricky one because you can't sound that one out either. All right, second graders, your job is to now write these once with a pencil, and then at least one time, I want you to go through and trace over them and rainbow write them to complete your spelling for today.